Welcome back, fellow marketers, to The Research Marketer. In today's exciting episode of our Master the Online and Digital World series, we're diving deep into a step-by-step guide on how to boost your business with social media. Whether you're just getting started or ready to scale up, social media is your ultimate tool to expand your reach and grow your brand. But let's take a moment to discuss social media. It's more than just a trend. It's one of the most accessible, cost-effective, and powerful methods for promoting your business and connecting with your audience. It's a space where you can interact with current customers, attract new ones, and even tap into global markets. And the best part? You don't need a massive budget to get started. Why leverage social media for your business? Let's explore a few compelling reasons why social media should be a central part of your marketing strategy. Expand your reach, attract new customers, and connect with a wider audience beyond your existing network. Global expansion. Reach international markets and diversify your customer base. Build trust and loyalty. Establish a consistent, transparent online presence that fosters trust and long-term relationships with your audience. Real-time engagement. Connect with customers instantly, making your business more relatable and approachable. Traffic. Directly advertise and sell to your audience while driving traffic to your website. Monitor feedback. Keep track of what people are saying about your brand and refine your strategies accordingly. Stay competitive. Keep an eye on your competitors to stay ahead of the curve and keep your business innovative. Quick heads up. While I draw from my experience in the Australian market, the strategies we discussed today are universally applicable. Whether you're tuning in from Europe, North America, or anywhere else, these insights will help you thrive in the global marketplace. We'd love to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments, share your experiences, and join our vibrant global community of marketers. This is an exchange of ideas, and we want you to be part of the conversation. Quick question for you. What's your favorite social media platform for business and why? Let us know in the comments below. Choosing the right social media platforms for your business. There are countless social media platforms out there, but not all are suited for your business. To help you make the best choice, here are a few factors to consider. 1. Target audience. Popularity doesn't always equate to success. Focus on where your target audience spends their time. Consider factors like age, gender, interests, and behaviors. Conduct thorough market research to pinpoint where your ideal customers are active. 2. Your goals. What are you aiming to achieve? Whether you want to attract new customers, engage with existing ones, establish your brand as an industry leader, or promote a product to a new market. Understanding your goals will guide your platform selection and help align your strategies with your objectives. 3. Competitors. Investigate where your competitors are active. Many platforms use algorithms to recommend content based on user interests. And by understanding your competition's presence, you can tap into their audience and engage more effectively. 4. Time and resources. Managing social media takes time and effort. Choose platforms you can realistically manage. It's better to excel on one or two platforms than spread yourself too thin across many. Popular social media platforms. What works best for you? Here's a quick overview of some of the most popular social media platforms and how they can work for your business. 1. Facebook. As the world's largest social networking platform, Facebook is a powerhouse for building a community around your brand, fostering deep connections and loyalty, targeted advertising that allows you to reach specific demographics with precision, engaging a broad audience, particularly those aged 18 and older, providing endless opportunities to expand your reach. 2. YouTube. As the leading video sharing platform, YouTube stands out in several key areas. Showcasing your brand through long-form videos that captivate and inform, demonstrating products, or sharing expert knowledge to establish credibility and trust. Reaching a diverse audience across all age groups, making it a versatile tool for marketers. 3. Instagram. Focused on visual storytelling, Instagram is ideal for increasing brand awareness with eye-catching photos and videos that captivate your audience. Promoting visually appealing products to attract customers with a strong aesthetic. Engaging a younger audience, particularly those aged 18-44, who are highly active on the platform. 4. TikTok. This dynamic short video platform is perfect for reaching a younger demographic, especially teens and young adults, with authentic and creative content. Sharing fun, bite-sized content that can captivate and entertain in under 60 seconds. 5. Known for its disappearing messages, Snapchat works well for engaging younger audiences under 35. Posting lighthearted, entertaining content. Highly targeted advertising. 6. X, formerly Twitter. Great for real-time updates and quick conversations, it's ideal for sharing news, promotions, and customer interactions. Reaching a 25-50-year-old demographic, especially men. 7. Pinterest. A visual discovery platform, perfect for reaching women in niches like fashion, food, and home decor. Driving traffic to your website or blog. 8. LinkedIn. The go-to platform for professionals, ideal for networking and building business relationships, establishing authority in your field, recruiting talent, and connecting with other business owners, creating engaging social media content. To stand out and grow your following, your content must resonate. Here's how to create content that makes an impact. Know your audience. Understand what your customers value and create content that speaks to their needs and interests. Visual is key. Posts with visuals, photos and videos attract more engagement than text alone. Avoid the hard sell. Instead of pushing direct sales, offer valuable content that educates or entertains. Plan ahead. Use a content calendar to stay organized and maintain a consistent flow of posts. Organic versus paid content. What's the difference? Organic content. These are posts you share without paying for them. Your reach depends on your followers and platform algorithms. Paid content. Paid social media ads allow you to boost your reach and target specific audiences with greater precision. SEO for social media, maximizing visibility. To enhance the visibility of your posts, make sure to use relevant keywords. Incorporate keywords your customers are likely to search for. Prioritize natural language. Write content for humans first and optimize for search engines second. Compliance and legal considerations. As you grow your business, it's essential to maintain a strong ethical foundation. Here are a few key principles to uphold. Respectful behavior. Treat your audience with respect and kindness in all interactions. Honesty and transparency. Be truthful in your posts. Misleading content can damage your credibility and brand. Take responsibility. Acknowledge any mistakes openly and correct them transparently. Follow legal guidelines. Always adhere to legal requirements, avoid misleading claims, and prioritize customer privacy. By carefully selecting your platforms, creating engaging content, and maintaining high ethical standards, you'll be well on your way to boosting your business through social media. Stay active, measure your success, and continuously refine your strategies. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one social media strategy or tip that has worked wonders for your business? Drop your answer in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights to help you grow your business. Thanks for tuning in to The Research Marketer. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and stay ethical on your marketing journey.